Pacific National. It's Australian, HO, I believe, yes, HO scale. We just had we had a comment about HO scale. There we go. It's just up there now. Too much want to buy it. I'm D55K. This isn't the D55K. Let's see if we can move it. This is the other one. So let's go to overhead and have a look at this. I'm pretty sure it's still in use today, this locomotive. It's a diesel locomotive, but this one is absolutely not. That would stink up your house. It is, in fact, electric, and it works on your HO00 track. It's got some nice details on the railings. You have a pilot in the front, or two actually. Got two little pilots in the front. Some couplers there. This is out of. Let's get this back in focus on. There it is. Look at the yellow. It's really, really nice yellow. It's got some nice rivet detail. Spoken like a true modeler. Here we go. See these chugging along in Australia. A good look at that. Exhaust vent at the back. Made out of photo-etched. So it's all really nicely molded there. Have the Southern Cross on the tail. Very scale-like. Added a real stuff in there. Let's jump over the other side. So this is number 9206. I'm actually really liking the style of the front of this locomotive. The horns up the top. Really lovely detail. All right. New, come in a couple of days ago. All right. That's it there. How are you going?
Just done and I can.
Oh, you can put it on now?
Yeah, I'm kind of.
Shall we get a live take of Carla putting the head together? Ready?